devotees tend not to read the books, and they also tend not to go on Sankirtan. So there you have a recipe for a spiritual disaster. If you go on Sankirtan, is it challenging? Yeah, it's challenging. It may be stressful, etc., etc. But if you want to be strong, you have to meet opposition. It's the only way. The Sankirtan tends to make a devotee humble and to realize how little he knows, so then he naturally wants to study Prabhupada's books. So it's sort of like, which comes first, the chicken or the egg? In one sense, it's not really important. If you read Prabhupada's books, then you're likely to be more inspired to go on Sankirtan. And if you go on Sankirtan, you're likely to be more inspired to read Srila Prabhupada's books.